Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to permanently remove apps from your iCloud step by step, quick and easy. So when iCloud backup is turned on, it automatically saves data from all your apps into the cloud. But if you want an app gone for good, you'll need to delete it from your iCloud backup first. Start by opening settings on your iPhone, then tap your Apple ID name at the top. Now, go into iCloud and tap iCloud Backup. If you notice that iCloud Backup is off, you're free to just delete the app directly from your phone, but if it's on, keep watching. Now, tap Manage Storage and then select Backups from the list. Find your device's latest backup and open it. Scroll through the list of apps and toggle off the one you want to remove. That stops iCloud from keeping any data tied to it. Once that's done, go back to your home screen, press and hold the app, and hit Delete App. That removes it from your device too. Even if you delete an app from your iCloud backup, you might still see that little cloud download icon in the App Store. That's because it's stored in your purchase history. You can't delete the history, but you can hide the app. Just tap your profile icon in the App Store, then go to Purchased, My Purchases, swipe left on the app and tap Hide. And that's it. Your app is deleted from both your device and your iCloud backup.